Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. Today's a very special. A lot of people have been asking for this YouTube episode, I guess, right? A lot of people have been asking me what my feet look like, right? Socks I use, shoes that I use. Like, they get up and personal, so I think that we're gonna take the opportunity. People want to see my feet, they really do. So I think without further ado, Lisbetta's here, sort of looking at me like kind of funny. And then of course Caesar's doing his thing as always. So without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so again, a lot of people are always asking me, right? You know, what's my deal, right? So I'm 44 years old. I was born in November 18th, 1977. I'm sure you guys have Googled that probably by now. I have pretty big hands, big feet, right? 10 and a half. These are the scrubs that I use. I have an incredible, I guess different types of whether it's a Cherokee, what's the other one? The Figs also, those are very, very comfy. Depending on the day of the week, that's when we decide to kind of use those. Caesar as well, he's wearing the camo look with some nice shoes. So let's go and take out. So as a podiatrist, right? I do like Crocs for surgery. I probably operate 3-4 days a week. Okay, and I like to use Crocs. Sometimes I even go. I like to operate, barefoot like this. Socks. I have tons of socks. I like collecting socks here and there. And then I'm going to show you guys my feet. Yes, oh my God, look at this. So yeah, podiatrists do get, I guess, holes in socks. This bed is laughing quite a bit. This is not good. Yeah, you may want to edit this out, Caesar. So, woof! Oh yeah.
Oh, it's getting smelly.
Bust out the... So, do my feet smell? No. Caesar, take a look.
Really bad.
Okay, so what we're gonna go ahead and do today, I'll show you. So these are my feet, right? So I have flat feet. Check this out, right? Is this why I became a podiatrist? No, right? Not because of my feet. My feet are actually quite interesting, to say the least. So we'll take a look at my feet. They're not really. This is a little bit of hair. This is normal, right? And I let believe it or not, Caesar told me that we were going to do, so I let my nails grow on purpose because I'm going to trim my toenails for the world here today, okay? So, very interesting. Let's take a look at the right. So I do have, look at the size of this bunionette. This is called a tailor's bunion. I do have a tailor's bunion. They call it the 6th toe here, right? And I do have, 5 toes on each foot. Of relevance, right? So this is really interesting. They kind of make fun of me here. So I do have these, all of these spots. This starts from here, and you see it's a mottled appearance. This is a dermatological condition called livedo reticularis. It's a vasospastic condition. Several years ago, I went to Chicago for a conference, and it was really, really cold. What I did notice was that, all of this mottled appearance became really, really really red, really purple. It was like a spider web appearance, and that kind of freaked me out. And then I said, oh, that's right, wow. Kind of looks like this livedo reticularis, and lo and behold, it was. Okay, so did I self-diagnose myself? Kind of. And then, my toes become very, very, very numb in cold weather. Is that why I live in Miami? No, right, to avoid any discomfort or any what I like to call a crisis. But these are my feet, so today what we're gonna do is, it makes sense that if I'm gonna trim my toenails, then I'm gonna use a Doctors of Podiatry nipper. Okay, and again, people have this idea that because I'm a podiatrist, I know how to trim my own toenails. Again. Do I file my nails? I don't, right? See? They're kind of brittle too. I'm pretty active. I like to play sports. And I like to keep my nails. Ooh, watch out. See? And I do cut them quite short. That's just me. So I don't feel any discomfort. Wait till you see my big toenail, Elizabeth. It's enormous. It's a crouton for a Caesar salad. Right? See, they're brittle. I don't have any fungus. I don't. If anyone is wondering, I'll show you guys. So here, I kind of sometimes even go this way, right? Okay, so... Ah! No, I'm just kidding. These are... Look at that. These are real tough. So again, you know, this is what works for people. See? This is what works for me. I usually don't wear gloves, if anyone is wondering. These are, you know, these are my feet. Let's take a look at this one, Caesar. I mean, does this, yeah. I mean, I consider myself, you know, I take hygiene quite seriously. I do shower twice a day. That's a fact. You know, I gotta tell you all the truth. The entire world, I mean, we should create a reality show using our platform. You guys are great and funny too. I'm always reading, so Caesar, we're reading all these comments. I wish I can get to all of them. Honestly. Okay, look at that. What a beauty. I mean, look at this nail. This doesn't look healthy, but it is. Have I ever, you know, battled an ingrown toenail? No. Caesar, what else would be? Oh, that landed on, yep. That landed on Lisbeth's hair. You see? So, I mean, that's pretty much it. You guys want to see in between my toes? There you have it. Nice and clean. Dry in between my toes, that's important. Let me take a look at the other one here so you guys can take a look. Right? These are my web spaces. These are my feet. I do have some calluses here. I like to walk barefoot. I really do. And that's why I have all of this here. Caesar, am I missing anything? I mean, let me ask you this. Do my feet smell on a serious note?
On a serious note, yeah, a lot. Really bad, but I can take it.
What does it smell like?
Like Cheetos?
Cheese?
Like Parmesan
Cheetos.
Parmesan cheese, yes. I'm joking. They don't smell.
And Lisbeth, what do my feet smell like? You want to take a whiff?
Parmesan.
No, not really. They don't smell.
Okay, good.
Good job.
Deodorant? I use deodorant. What else? What else do people want to know? I mean, seriously, I mean, I get questions. You guys it's incredible. People really, really go out of their ways, and I have no problem. You know, we're an open book. We're really transparent. I think people are mostly interested in knowing more about Caesar than myself. That's kind of like the...
So if this video gets 50,000 likes, I'll do the same thing. 50,000 likes.
So that's the deal.
I said
so
the bar
Caesar
high.
has proposed that if this... Oh, that's not fair. 50,000? So we need 50,000 likes in order for... Just to be very clear, because they're going to hold you up for this. If we reach 50,000 likes, Caesar will show his face and his feet.
Oh, the same thing. I will trim myself.
With or without a shirt?
Without.
With.
Without a shirt.
With.
and then all of a sudden our channel will go boom, right? So this is kind of interesting. On a side note, I think it's really, really important, and this is what, you know, I think in the next couple of weeks we can definitely do maybe one episode per week on how to properly care for your feet, our feet. We can talk a little bit about, you know, hyperhidrosis, excessive sweating of the feet, fungus, toenail fungus, anything and everything that's kind of like, you know, important. Some people may think it's not so important, but in reality, you know, it's something that we see here quite a bit. Calluses, corns, structural deformities, bunions, hammer toes. Am I missing anything? Long toes, short toes, ankle pain, arthritis, just to name a few, right? And I think that we can maybe do something like that for educational purposes. But I think right now, what's really relevant are those 50,000 likes to have Caesar. It's kind of getting old. I mean, they got to see something.
Sure, 50,000.
50,000 likes. Lizbeth has had no problem either. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my socks, right? And then, of course, I'm going to put on the sock with a hole, right? Where's the hole? Right here again. And then, and that's pretty much it. That's my story. I'm going to put on my Crocs. We're done here today. I'd like to hear some of the comments on this one. This is going to be an interesting one, okay? We will continue to do what we do. We're going to continue to educate the world that my feet do exist, and that I don't have any fungus, at least not today, right? People are always asking me, do you have any fungus in your feet, between the toes and so on and so forth? That's not the case. Caesar, anything else? Okay, great. I know that we put out there that we were going to start the podcast. It's in the works. I haven't forgotten. We're trying to roll everything out accordingly. So it's coming. I promise, it's coming sooner than later. Okay. As always, thank you for watching.